Oh, there is the match, internet match between Koje and Minjong on the internet, close to be midnight. Today, Minjong had a competition for his Baduk League. Baduk League is a very big competition. He lost to Byun-sang-il, and I guess maybe he was very stressful, and he found out the opponent who can put out his stress. But that opponent is Koje. Yeah, he is very brave and he is really confident. Yeah. Its interesting part is still Minjong's career is not so high, but Koje is always willing to play against Minjong. Yeah. Minjong is really talented and his game style is a very crazy fighting style. So I think even Koje really love to play with Minjong as well. Yeah. Okay, this time Minjong was white and Koje was black. Black plays 3 and 4. In the beginning, it's very interesting. Koje played the cross beginning. Nowadays it's not easy to find the cross beginning. And white plays here and approach here. They are approaching each other. Yeah, just like this kind of game can be really crazy fighting style. Yeah, pincer and the knight move. This joseki has been changing for a long time. I think when I was young, always we just attach here, and this was used a lot. Yeah. This was the common joseki always, but nowadays even white prefer to play strategy here and block here. There are so many difficult josekis. Yeah, even I cannot memorize all the forms. Yeah, so now okay, white strategy here and strategy here. Actually, long time ago, white really hate to play this one, this joseki when black stone is here. But nowadays I think this joseki is also changed a lot. If black plays here, yeah, before was like if white can find out the large knight move, but black's attachment was so good. Yeah, white cannot really capture this. Now corner is gonna be dead. So when white saves like this, the saving position was not so good for white. Yeah, like this. But nowadays there is a great move that white can find out the attach here and then double hane. Yeah. This is what AI suggests, so become. Yeah, white is also available to play like that. So, Koje has a pincer. Yeah, this is also one of the joseki black can take the influence. I think Koje designed this joseki because he want to throw them away. And after this, somehow this knight move is very suitable to make the right hand side bigger. Yeah. So I think it's okay. The joseki balance is no problem for black. If black continue to just cunning here, then of course white can just escape here. Yeah, black cannot surround white. So later I guess maybe this is sente. Yeah, but it's not. Maybe Koje want to just keep this aji. Yeah, because he may use them differently. Yeah, so he just decided to attack lower corner first. Even this joseki was changed a lot, right? Yeah, white push and then jump. This is one of the common joseki, yeah. But recently, white prefer to play the knight move as well. Then black will play here, and then white can even get the corner, yeah. Or the white can even decide to play the Kosumi kick as well. Yeah, this is also used a lot. And then black plays here. That means now Koje won Minjong to block here, then he want to make all the center and then block the lower side as well. If white want to save this, then of course white has to capture. Then what do you think? Yeah, this is so great for black. Black can block both sides, so I think this is not acceptable for white. So white has to play the double hane, and now black has a 2 decision and even stretch. I think stretch is one of the common one, and or tiger's mouth. Then let's see what Koje played. He decided to tiger's mouth and Atari, and he has to return here and then jump and capture. Okay, now here has done. The white has to go to the other place. Yeah, he just decided to reduce to the center, and Koje just go to the big place. Yeah. Okay, here is like if black just decided to surround, Koje thought it's too slow, and when he approaches here, then Minjong just will open the center first. And then you want to go to big place. To my style, I think I will prefer to go here. Let's see Minjong, how he played. Yeah, he doesn't want to answer. He he is accepting the double pincer as well. Yeah, double pincer. And then white Yeah, even has played here. This is making lower side bigger. Yeah, today we can see this joseki couple times. Now black just answers. Yeah, different than here. And then yeah, even long time ago, then we were always saying that if we get the double approach, it's always good for black. But nowadays, even this is also changed a lot. Yeah. Now white has a fulfilled decision. White can attach and then block here. And then if black just answers, then white can even jump here. Corner is no problem. Then black may just stretch here because now this is better for territory. Yeah, black can even get into the corner. But how about the Minjong? Even nowadays, I think the Kusumi is disappear. Yeah, long time ago it was joseki, but now if black just invade to 3/3, yeah, this is no use. Yeah, so I think that this joseki is almost disappear. Yeah. Oh, Minjong has played the knight move. That means he want black to block here, and then if white just pushes up, and then he want to just take the corner. Yeah. So I think if I'm black, I want to ignore, and I really want to play here first. Then Koje has played which move? Ah, yeah, he has played here, and then white just goes out to center. Okay, now here it's not easy to press anymore. I think lower side seems good. Lower side. Yeah, he has played the knight move and then push and jump. And then Koje continue to make it here bigger. Oh, seems I think black's mood is not bad. And then white, yeah. Even white reduce here. This is so painful for white. I think maybe he really cannot accept. Oh, seems I think push couple times and then attach here, and then he can continue to make the bigger territory in the center. I think this is also looks really great. And yeah, Koje never been passive. That means now he want to get the bad exchange. Yeah, this is good for black. Black can get much more territory, and then he want Minjong to just answer that this is what he is thinking. I think Koje thought this is much efficient. Okay, now, yeah, he has exchanged, and then, yeah, of course, white cannot answer here. Then I think, black cannot throw that away. Now if black just return here, then if white can capture this, then it's really horrible result for black. Black really need to focus to save this. Yeah, okay. Koje even get in. Oh, now, I think at this moment, he has to be afraid of this, yeah, net. Maybe I think he prepared to, yeah, such tesuji, something like this. He wanna break all the territory at the lower side. Okay. Oh, Minjong just answers. Yeah, he is just waiting for the chance. But I think black's breaking position seems not bad. Okay. And white plays this one. Oh, it's interesting move. Now, I think just a normal move is a tiger's mouse. That means now when black just jump here, like this, maybe I think white thought is not really good enough. Yeah, so he just asks here first, and that means now he want to separate of the black, and even he is asking whether black want to stretch, and then he will just jump. And if black just goes out here, this hane is gonna be good for white. Yeah. Because, even white can just cut first. Cut, and when black answer, then this is gonna be sente and go out to center. Or if black just decided to capture, then white can cut here, and then white can keep push here. Then white may have a chance to attack the center. Yeah, here, the lower side. This is what Minjong is thinking. So black, yeah, Koje has to go out. And just hane. But just hane, I think black may not answer. Yeah, like this. What do you think? Now white seems in danger. Life and death is not that easy. How does white have to take care? Minjong find out good move anyway. Yeah, this is a good move how he can save the white group. Black cannot ignore because there is a connect and die. Yeah, like this. So, okay, Koje just cut here. It seems cutting is working, but after this, still there is a connect and die. So now, when white plays here, basically that is the white right. So white life and death is no problem. Then black has to go to the biggers, left hand side. Yeah. Okay, until now result is like black reduce all the territory at the lower side. Seems black is I think okay. And the white, yeah, just goes to the, take care of the left corner. And then Koje returned to the center. Yeah, now the center is the main area. And then Koje, yeah, he never been passive. He always used the active move. Okay, white even get in and the Hane here. Oh, their sequence is also quite interesting. Now somehow Minjong is asking to Koje if he plays like that, that he is waiting for connect and die here. Yeah, now he can capture 2 stones. So Koje just answers the connect. Normally, you know, the white is also bad exchange if black just ignore. Then we will take the bad exchange each other. I think somehow this is unacceptable for black. But now he just connect here. Seems white really have to just Atari and go out here. Yeah, then I think the white can decide to break the center. I think seems it is okay for white. And just jump and then connect and block. But yeah, this is also seems not enough for white. Okay. And yeah, they had the trading and stretch. Well, seems I think white answers here. Their odds is not so clean. If black doesn't answer here, then later white can do something. Yeah, let's see. And black just decided to ask. This is one of the pip. And then Koje went to the big place. White also pip as well. Which means now if black just answers here, then he wanna cut here. This is ladder breaker. Now ladder doesn't work. Yeah. That means now Minjong wanna capture this. Yeah, so Koje, he asks here. Yeah, now cutting still doesn't work. This is still ladder. Yeah, like this. Yeah, 14 has to be here. And then Minjong just answers and then defense. Oh, okay. White has to return to take care of the center. Now he is pressing this group. So black has to save this. And then, answers and then Hane. That means now if white just cut here, then black has insurance to save here. Yeah. So now this is better for the life and death and then even end the game. Yeah. Minjong seems to not have time to respawn here. He really have to go to the big place. Black is alive now. Okay, white made the sente. I think seems though the upper side is in trouble. Really white has to read well perfectly in this area. Let's see. Oh, he invaded here. Okay. I think what about this one? Even this is quite difficult. Yeah, white pushes here and then black has to answer. And the Hane here. Yeah, this capturing race is gonna be very difficult. Because if black just answers, I think even this odds is not so easy. Locally this is gonna be dead. But if white plays here, like this, white can save. And if black just try to capture, then white can play here. Oh, it's really complicated. Yeah, not sure. So I think Minjong felt that was not that easy. So he asks here and then block here. And then what does white have to play? I think if white decided to play same as just now, then nothing different. Yeah, it's similar than what I made it. Yeah. Seems this net is working, but still white is not ready yet. Yeah, because white is faster for 1 liberty. Like this. And you know, white cannot block here. Black can push and cut here. Also isn't ready yet. So let's see how Minjong has played it. Oh, attach. That means he wanna cut here. He wanna throw this away. Yeah, like this. Then anyway he can separate. Yeah, now separating is everything. Yeah. So that this is good enough. I think Koje has to cover, however. Atari. Okay, this is only the method how he can just connect this group. And then Atari here. Yeah, there was trading, but seems still, it's playable. And black just tenuki and save this. And here. Okay, I think here is the biggest. But black, cut here. That means now Koje is looking for, I think, he want white to just capture here. But seems I think black has a little bit the self Atari. Yeah, seems I think black is a bit in danger. Okay, let's see. White just throw in here. Okay. Hane. Oh, I think black is in trouble. Oh, I think maybe somehow just now Koje has a misreading. Yeah. Now after this, black really cannot answer anything. If black captures, then this one, black lost all the things here. It's really bad exchange. And if black just answers here, there is no cost threat. Black cannot take this call. Yeah. This is not relative about the cost threat. Yeah, this is like really impossible to challenge. So if black has to give up this group, then it's nothing for black. And then he resigned. I think just now the Koje has some reading trouble. I think he wanted Moon Minjong to just answer here. Then that can be good for black. I think here has some misreading just now. Oh, Moon Minjong, yeah. After he lose the real competition, then he just came back home and he put out the stress to Koje. Wow. But Koje is even accepting always Moon Minjong's match. Yeah. Oh, I think the game quality was good for black for whole time. Yeah. But I think he just Moon Minjong catch up the one chance and win this game. Yeah, it was a crazy fighting game. Even beginning, the joseki was difficult and lower side, and yeah, here fighting was also difficult. And when they are just fighting for the ladder, also they are just ignoring each other. And it was quite interesting. At the end, and when white makes Aji, I think black covered well. Just I think the misreading, yeah, made Moon Minjong to win this game. Okay, everybody. Anyway, even though this is a practice game, that is really important. Moon Minjong beat Koje. Yeah. Please support those players, and I always appreciate it for my Patreon and membership. Yeah, thank you so much for supporting my channel, and see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye.